Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this additional. And this fourth Sudoku is a binary puzzle. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row there's always 4 O's and 4 O's. The same with in a column, always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double 1 here and O, there and O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double 1 here and O, there and O. We have 4 O's now, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Then alright, let me count. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 there, 1. Then, yeah, double 1 here and O there and O. Well. Am I stuck? I do not know. 3. Yeah. I think I need to compare. Yeah. How about this row and that row? We have an O, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, O, empty box, 1, 1. So I need to switch these two box digits. We have a 1, so this should be an O. Double O here and 1 there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double check. 4 ones. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 there and 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 there and 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1 here and O there and O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's now, so the rest are ones. Then I double O, yeah. Double O here and 1 there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Yes. I like this. Yes. Only one row to compare. You like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one, aka Suguru. So see you later, and bye bye for now.